Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Keshavan. Today I will start what is the concept of atomic mass and how we can calculate the atomic mass. Basically, if we want to measure the atomic mass, then we not have any instrument. Why? Actually, atoms का मास कैलकुलेट करने के लिए फर्स्टली वी वांट टू सेपरेट द एटम फ्रॉम एन एलिमेंट. किसी एलिमेंट से एटम्स को हमें सेपरेट करना होगा, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. दैट्स व्हाई वी टेक इन अ टर्म दैट इज relative atomic mass. Actually, when we consider the term atomic mass, this is not actual term. Actual term is relative atomic mass. Because when we weight the mass of an atom, then we take in a weighing substance. जैसे आप you buy 1 kg of potato. How you can weight the potato? You can weight the potato by a weight 1 kg, right? आप 1 kg weight से उस potato को आप weight कर दें. सिमिलरली किसी एटम को मेजर करने के लिए हमारे पास कोई ना कोई तो वेइंग सब्सटेंस होना चाहिए जिससे हम किसी न किसी एटम्स को वेट कर सकें, राइट? बेसिकली हमारे पास ऐसा अभी तक कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है जिससे हम किसी एटम्स के मास को कैलकुलेट कर सकें. बट nowadays some techniques, some instrument have been discovered, but we discuss in the latter. But in the starting, when the concept of atom had been come, then the mass of atom is taken by a small element, that is hydrogen. Because at that time hydrogen is a very light material, light substance, light element. And nowadays also hydrogen is a very light element. But the concept of hydrogen is not taken. And we considered that the mass of hydrogen is 1. अभी तक यही समझा जा रहा था कि mass of hydrogen is 1, but the value of mass of hydrogen is not actual 1. This is 1.008, right? So firstly, earlier we taken the hydrogen for the consideration of atomic mass. Now the second time we taken the oxygen atom. How we can take oxygen? Because oxygen is a stable element. Similarly, oxygen have 16 atomic mass. How can you calculate? Actually, hydrogen से ही ऑक्सीजन के मास को कैलकुलेट किया गया. We cannot calculate the mass of oxygen atom individually. We can take relative atomic mass. अगर हमने कहा कि ऑक्सीजन का मास 16 ग्राम है, ऑक्सीजन इज 16 ग्राम, it means this oxygen atom is heavier, 16 times heavier than atoms of hydrogen. It means mass of oxygen atom is 16 times as compared to हाइड्रोजन है। ऑक्सीजन का कॉन्सेप्ट लिया गया, लेकिन फिर धीरे धीरे ये इस स्केल को भी डिस्कार्ड कर दिया है। बहुत सारी खामियां पाई गई। क्यों खामियां पाई गई? बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट एक्चुअली 16, दे आल्सो हैव सम फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू, एंड आल्सो some atoms of oxygen also have 17 atomic mass, some have 18 atomic mass, so they have different atomic mass. By this, due to this confusion, we discard that type of scale, right? Nowadays we consider a very specific scale for measuring the atomic mass, and that type of scale is called as carbon scale. Why we taken the carbon as a measurement of the atomic mass? Because carbon is a very stable element, and they have lifetime period is so much high. That's why we taken the carbon as a carbon scale, carbon as a scale for measuring the atomic mass, right? Now, what is the atomic mass? What is the atomic mass? Atomic mass of an element is the number of times an atom of that element atomic mass of an element is the number of times, कितने times an atom of that element is higher to the one atom of carbon 12. One atom of carbon 12. We specify the carbon 12. Why we specify? Because carbon also have some isotope and they have mass 14. That's why we specify the atom should be of carbon 12. So this is the concept of atomic mass. So what is atomic mass? Atomic mass of an element is the number of times an atom of that element, उस element का atom कितना higher है to the one atom of carbon पर, एक कार्बन के एटम से कितना ज्यादा वो हायर है, that is called atomic mass, right? It is basically expressed as AMU. So what is AMU? That is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. So what is atomic mass unit? That is also called AMU or small am. So what is AM? It is equal to the 1/12 of, it is equal to the 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Means कार्बन 12 आइसोटोप्स के एक एटम का जो मास होगा उसके 1/12 is called AMU. Listen carefully. What is AMU? It is the 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12. Means कार्बन 12 के एक एटम का 1/12 मास को ही हम लोग बोलते हैं AMU, right? Now what is the value of AMU? The value of AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. 24 gram. So this is the value of 1 AMU, right? Now this AMU is taken as unified scale, which is abbreviated as small u. That's why we take in that mass of carbon or atomic mass of carbon equal to 12u. Atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16u. That is, this indicates the unified scale. So this is the concept of atomic mass. Now what is gram atomic mass? What is gram atomic mass? If atomic mass is taken in gram, then it is called gram atomic mass. Example, gram atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16 gram. Gram atomic mass of carbon, that is 12 gram. Means if we take in gram, then the atomic mass is considered as gram atomic mass, right? Now the concept of molecular mass. Now the concept of molecular mass. Molecular mass of a substance is equal to the number of times the molecule of substance are heavier than 1 by 12 mass of one atom of carbon 12. Means when we take in the atomic mass, then we take in how the number of times the atom is heavier than the mass of one atom of carbon 12. But 1 here 1 by 12th of the mass of an atom of the carbon 12. So molecular mass of a substance is equal to the number of times the molecule of substance, किसी सब्सटेंस का मॉलिक्यूल कितना ज्यादा है आर हेवियर देन द मास ऑफ वन एटम ऑफ कार्बन 12, माने 1/12 मास ऑफ वन एटम कार्बन 12 से कितना ज्यादा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मॉलिक्यूलर मास, राइट? So how can we calculate the molecular mass, right? But before starting this, what is gram molecular mass? When molecular mass is represented in gram, then it is called gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. If molecular mass is taken in gram, then it is GMM, that is gram molecular mass, right? Now take an example. How can you calculate the molecular mass of H2O? As you know, what is the number of atom of hydrogen? 2. And atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. Plus oxygen, that is 16. The value has given in your question. So 2 plus 16, that is 18. Right? Now what is the C6H12O6? And the carbon is 12, hydrogen is equal to 1 and oxygen is equal to 16. So 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16. So 72 plus 12 plus 96. If you add this 2 plus 6, 10, carry 1, 10, 11, 11 is 80. That is 180 gram. So this is the molecular mass of water and glucose, right? Now what is formula mass? Formula mass. If we take some ionic compound, formula mass and molecular mass are both similar term, but when you take the covalent compound, then it is called molecular mass. And if you take the ionic compound, then it is formula mass, right? Like as NaCl. NaCl is ionic compound, as you know. Sodium, that is 23, and chlorine, that is 35.5. So what is 23 plus 35.5 means 0.5, 58 and 4, 3 to 5, 58.5, right? So this is the formula mass. Now like as KCl, as you know, potassium is 39, chlorine is 35.5. So 39 plus 35.5, so value will be 0.5, 5, 9, 14, carry 1, 3, 3, 6 and 7, that is 74.5 gram, right? So this is the formula mass, right? So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel who is new, and also comment in comment section box. Thank you.